As an Industry 4.0 technology solutions provider, you know that one of the hardest things to do is to actually get people to understand what the hell it is that you actually do and actually sell. And so I thought I'd talk a little bit today about how you can get around that. So one of the first things you need to do here is to actually have your customer understand what their current problems are with technology. Because if they don't think that they have a problem, then there's no way that you can solve it, right? It makes no sense. If you are selling a technology solution, it should be the answer to a direct problem. So the first thing you need to do is, like I said, to help them understand what the problem is that your solution solves. So talking to them in very technical language is often not the best way to go about this, because you're talking to someone that's probably quite different to you. You know, you are very technically minded, you understand the solution deeply, and all of that sort of good stuff that you know, right? The person that you're talking to, the buyer on the business side, is often very much focused on the business aspects of, well, the business, frankly. Okay, and so firstly, just be aware of that slight disconnect. So what you need to do is take your very technical mind and just switch things to more of a business-based view. Okay, so you're looking at helping your client firstly understand the business problems that they have, and then how your technology solution can fix these problems. If you start just off the bat talking about technology, you're not going to get anywhere, I promise you right now, okay? So firstly, we'll start here. And one of the best ways to do that is through the use of design thinking workshops and exploratory design thinking sessions with your clients. Now, design and thinking methods are basically creative techniques that are used to draw out ideas and come up with solutions to a specific problem. So one of the ways that I like to use them in this instance is through maybe a couple of hours exploratory session with a client, where what I'll do is use a set of different methods to draw out the current issues that they have. So what design thinking methods are really good for is for bringing customers on the journey with you. Okay, so you allow them to see where they are at the moment and then where they can be in the future once they have your technology solution in their lives. So they're really great for assisting clients in generating a clear understanding of what they are trying to achieve and why, and for also generating a lot of stakeholder buy-in. So it really goes back to that point of you need to help your client understand what the problem is that you're solving, okay? Because often clients will come to you, potential clients, and they'll say, they'll come to you if you're a bigger technology solution provider usually and say, okay, we have this problem that we know that your technology can solve. However, if you are a new or emerging sort of 4.0 solution provider, like I said, they probably don't know what it is that you do just yet. And so you need to help them understand that. And so design thinking methods are a great way to do it. If you want to know more about this, I will link to more information below, and that should sort of help you to get started. And if you're interested, I can do some more videos on specific techniques in the future.